Hello everyone and good morning. Well, in today's tutorial about EUREKAX, we will go through deposits and we will go through withdrawals, and I will show you how you can deposit money here. But first of all, if for the deposit you don't need to do a verification process, but for withdrawals you need to. So make sure you finish verification first, and then you can withdraw from our exchange. So when you log in into your account, what you need to do? Well, this is a dashboard, and here you can see all the coins and the balances. And here you can click on deposit or withdrawal. So let's deposit some Eureka coins into this account. And for Eureka coins, you need to have a wallet, Eureka wallet, and you can have it on 3 different ways. So you can have, you can install a core wallet in your desktop, from which you actually can stake the coins, and or you can do or you can install Chrome extensions, or you can install app on your mobile phone. So depends on you what you want to do. And I'm using the Chrome extension, so it's much easier. And so let's go here and let's deposit some Eureka. I will just put few for the testing, so you know how all the process is going. So let's click on deposit, and now here you get a code and you get the wallet address. You can scan the code, or you can just copy this Eureka wallet address, which is your address, which is your wallet address in your account. So we will copy this. Copy, and now I will go to my wallet, the Chrome extension I'm using, put my password, log in. And here, let me show you when we are here now. You can see here you can open a different accounts, different wallets here. For I don't know if you want to separate them, because I'm using this for our business, for EUREKAX, and for transferring coins and things like this. And you can open a new one. It's very easy, just create new wallet. Let's do it when we are here. Put the wallet name and just click create wallet, and that's it. And also you will need to set, when you open it, you will need to set the phrases, and make sure you write it down somewhere so you don't lose them. And also, if you want to change the computer, you can put this extension in any computer you want, but you need to have this word phrase, which you will put and write it when you want to log in from another computer. So make sure you write it somewhere and don't lose it. And I will not recommend you actually save it on your computer, just put it on piece of paper. It's much better and safer. So let's log in here, and I will just send some Eureka into this wallet address. So here you see from this wallet, EUREKAX, to this wallet, you can see the address is the same. tokens is Eureka coin, and I will just put the amount of 5 Eureka coins just for the sake of testing, and I will click send. And then you need to confirm it, check it that everything is okay, and just confirm. And once you do this, you can check the transaction here. You just click on this, and you can check the transaction on our blockchain actually. And our blockchain you can find on eurekanetwork.io, and you can check here also the rich list, the tokens, and all other things. So this is my transaction, and now I will see the summary. Let's move this. See the summary. Unconfirmed yet, and let's see. This is what I sent. So now we need to wait just the coins come into our wallet in EUREKAX account. So let's just see if there's any. Not yet, so we will wait a little bit. And then once we do this, we will try to withdraw them. So you will see it's really simple. So also I didn't mention in yesterday's tutorial, you can, until we're waiting, I will explain this. You can find Eureka referral here, referral link also here, and make sure you use it, because you will be able to earn some commissions through 2 levels, and it's really a good thing to earn some extra money. And here we have support, and support here you can message support. Just select the category, put the subject, and put the message, and you can also put the attachment file. And support is working really almost 24 hours per day, so they are there and they will help you. And if there is some technical issues, then you just need to wait for other programmers to actually check it, and once it's checked and when it's fixed, then you will then support will message you that everything is okay, or support will ask you for some more information if you didn't explain properly. So support is there and support is working, so everything is okay. So believe me, all the issues will be resolved, so don't worry about this. So here we have settings, what we filled yesterday, and this is just a test account if you're watching this for the first time. And here you can see some history, deposit, withdrawal history, notification, and login history. And let's see if Eureka actually come. Not yet, so we still need to wait a little bit. Shouldn't be long. And also, if you want to deposit any other coins, it's also very easy. Here you have Bitcoin, and you can deposit Bitcoins into this address. Just go into Bitcoin wallet, but this I think all of you knows if you signed into this exchange or any other exchange. So just need to copy this address into your Bitcoin wallet and send Bitcoins as much as you like. It's the same for the other coins also. You can see it's not much different. Eureka and Ethereum. For every coin you will get you will get the wallet address which suit the coins you want to deposit. So let's see, nothing yet. So we will just wait a little bit and then I will show you the rest. So now you can see the Eureka coins are actually come into our account. So all the balances you will be able to see here, and now here you can see that I actually get 5 Eureka coins. And now I will try to withdraw them and show you how to do this also. So I will click on withdrawal, and you can see so here you will choose the currency. So now we are withdrawing Eureka, but you can choose whatever you like. And the available balance is 5 Eureka, so we will withdraw 4 because we need to leave something for the fee. And now I need to put the receipt address, which I need to go into my wallet again. And I will show you how to find the address there also. And my computer is a bit slow because I opened too much windows because I'm doing a lot of things at once. So we will just wait a little bit. Oh, I put the invalid password. Okay, let's try again. It's still morning. Okay, we are in. So how to find your receiving address? So you will log in into the wallet you want, as I explained, and then you will not click send, you will click receive. And once you do this, you will see your wallet address. So just copy and put it here. Just put it here, and now you need to put the authentication code, which you will find on your mobile phone if you set this. So put it. So it's changed in time and set this code, and now here this code is sent into your email. So first of all, I missed this part. So first of all, put this code and then this code if you set it on your mobile phone. So let's go into email address and check and find the code. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. I hate this, I really hate this. And I hate this Windows 10, to be honest, because doesn't matter which computer you have, it's just loading and loading and loading. Okay, finally. So click and open the email. You copy this OTP code. Copy and paste it into withdrawal request, and now we will just repeat this code because it's already expired. So we will put a new one and we will click send. And you can see withdrawal request successfully done. And now you need to go into your email again, and you can see withdrawal request confirmation. Open this email, and once you do this, you will just confirm. You need to confirm it. If you do it, but if you've done any withdrawals by mistake, then just click reject. But if you've done this, then just click confirm. And withdrawal request sent to admin. And now that's it. That is all you need to do for withdrawals and for the deposit. And when you do this, all withdrawals are paid in 24 hours. So just wait it will be paid. So that's it for this tutorial about withdrawals and deposits. And tomorrow we will cover and go and see exchange, and we will cover how to put the sell and buy order also. So that's it for today's tutorial, and hope this helps you, and see you in next one. Bye!